Justice Royston Glasgow believes mediation is one of the best methods to resolve conflicts and fracturing relationships, which lead to most cases going to court. Noting the numerous negative interactions within the various levels of the court, Justice Glasgow impresses that one of the major differences is the representation of a lawyer.
So whatever the lawyer brings to court is what the judge or magistrate hears. That's the first issue. The second issue is that while the case is going on, those of you who have been to court, the lawyer is the one who's articulating or is telling the judge or magistrate what the issue is. You're standing behind that person. And many times, as Mr. Bialy just pointed out, you are upset about something entirely different, but you have no control over the process.
Mediation coordinator Marvin Toussaint notes that while mediation is part of the court system, it aids in expediting resolutions by way of the parties involved, driving the process of mediation.
As opposed to an attorney making a representation for you, the parties are the one who drives the process of mediation. So it's a more relaxed process, and it's a process that aims at bringing resolution quickly, which is critical as opposed to going through the entire trial process in the court system.
President of the Mediators Association, Christopher Diali, explains that mediation deals primarily with civil matters which have experienced a major backlog.
And sometimes it offers parties an opportunity to talk to each other, which they probably never did before. And versus the court system, you have a third party, your attorney represent you, and you never get an opportunity to say how you feel. Mediation deals with all of those issues. So we encourage people to go mediation because we believe that parties themselves have the solutions. It's not a judge or somebody else that has to come and give them the solution. They have it.
Diali highlights that the biggest benefit to mediation is to the emotional side, whereby parties get the opportunity to express themselves.
Sometimes the other party don't even know what the problem is, and they're here. And it encourages that kind of dialogue. And then sometimes in family matters, husband and wife issues, they never knew what was the issue because the communication ends at a certain point. And it encourages them then to talk. And then when they start, it's like, why are we here? Why are we in court?
Mediation, according to the officials, can be done as a pre-action even before engaging the court process, as an average of 48 to 50% of matters being resolved. I am Gerard Joseph for GBN News.